Okay, so one thing I find really annoying when I buy a truck, and it's got a greasable rear U-joint here, people are putting these joints in backwards. You can see the grease zerk right here. Well, there's no way to get a grease gun in there to grease that joint. Now, if they would have put it towards the rear, look at all this room here that you can get a grease gun in there and get on that grease zerk. I had a guy on one of my videos that I told everybody to put the grease zerk on the rear. He says, Eric, the car guy, he says the grease zerks always go towards the front of the vehicle or whatever. That might be true on a Honda, but on this S10 and all the Chevy trucks I've ever had, there's not enough room to get a grease gun up in here. You gotta have them over here or you'll never be able to grease your joint. Should have greased this one while I had it off, but I'm gonna have it off again, so I'll grease it then. But something like this, pretty annoying. I don't know why everybody's putting these on backwards. I have put one on backwards. I put it on backwards one time, and that was enough to get me to learn that these grease zerks go towards the back where there's way more room for a grease gun. But anyway, guys, a little 2-minute rant here on grease zerks and people putting them in backwards. But it is what it is.